Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the library's interlibrary loan service. So what is interlibrary loan? Well, according to the American Library Association, interlibrary loan is the process by which a library requests material from or supplies material to another library. The purpose of interlibrary loan, as defined by this code, is to obtain, upon request of a library user, material not available in the user's local library. So, how do you make a request? Well, to begin, you would go to the library's catalog. You would enter in your search terms and hit the Enter key. If the item that you're looking for is not found in the library's catalog, you can expand your search parameters by using the library's worldwide function of the library's catalog. This allows you to see a global catalog of other library holdings. When you find the particular item you are looking for, click on the name of the item, and that will bring up the detailed record. Under availability, there is a button that says request item through interlibrary loans. If you click on that button, it brings up a request form that you will fill out and submit. The interlibrary loan staff will keep you updated on what's happening with your request. They will also notify you when the item is ready to be picked up at the front desk. When you arrive to pick up an item, remember to have your CTC ID card with you. So, what are some frequently asked questions? Well, interlibrary loan, how long does it take? The service generally takes between 1 and 2 weeks. It can take longer or up to about 4 weeks, depending on the item and the lending library. Now, renewing interlibrary loans cannot be done online or at the front desk. If you need your material longer, you need to send in an email to reference request at ctcd.edu and indicate that you are requesting an extension on your interlibrary loan. Now, who's allowed to make a request of an interlibrary loan? Anybody that is a current CTC student, faculty, or staff may request items. Borrowers must bring in their CTC ID card with them to check out their loaned item. And how many items can you request? Well, students can request a maximum of 3 items, and faculty and staff do not have a limit. So if you need more information about interlibrary loan or any of the other services provided by the Hobby Memorial Library, you can come in person. You can contact us by phone at 254-526-1621, or you can email us at referencerequest@ctcd.edu.